Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here today because I'm playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and this is round number 7. Today is day 6, and today's sketch is a page map sketch, and it was chosen by Lena Schultz as part of the last November challenge winner on the Facebook group, on the Christy's Beautiful Life Facebook group. So if you are not currently a member over there, you need to go and check it out because she's got all kinds of fun challenges up. She will have 30 Days of Sketches posted day by day, and she will have, I think, an entire playlist of them, maybe attached to her channel. I'm not 100% certain, but I think attached to her channel. Anyway, you can follow along. You can put in the hashtag 30DSCBL7, and you should get a list of everybody who's participating who has loaded up their challenges that way. Anyway, so this layout is a standard page map sketch in that it is one page. It has 2 photos. It has your pattern papers kind of sketched out for you, like a smaller print, a larger print, where your journal spot should be, where an embellishment cluster should be, where another embellishment cluster should be, and it shows some stitching that goes down the side. You could turn this sketch however which way you wanted to, and come up with pretty similar results whichever way. I like it this way, or I like it this way. I don't know which direction exactly I'm going to go with it, but it'll be one way or the other. Anyway, so let me show you what I have pulled out. So I pulled in my title already, and I used that square tile that came with my February 2020 Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit. Yes, February 2020. This is last year's kit that I never got around to using, and so I'm using it here. I have some stickers that I've pulled out. I have a word phrase there, some more little epoxy stickers over here. Those are just embellishments and a title that I have pulled because, well, I wanted to. I have my photos here. I have a small doily. I have a couple of journal spots, and I love it because they have this frayed edge on them, like from a notebook. And so I love that piece to it. And then I pulled in a couple of pieces of paper. I say a couple, I pulled in 3 sheets of paper. I have my base cardstock, and it's a green. It is close to my heart. And then I pulled in this blue, which was not close to my heart. It's just out of one of those random paper pads that you pick up here or there. So yeah. And then I have this one, which was part of the kit. So this is where I'm starting. I have these 3 sheets of paper, and we'll see what I can do. I also have some scraps. I have a pile of scraps going on. Plus I have I have a 6x6 album with some whole sheets of paper as well as some scraps. And then I have this 4.5 by 6.5, and I have 2 solid sheets of paper, and then I have plenty of scraps in there to play with. So I'll figure something out along the way. I don't think this one calls for a lot of fussiness, if you will. But here's where we're starting, and I will be back to show you what I have completed. I'll show you a close-up of the sketch in the meantime. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in a second. Okay friends, I have finished up layout number 6 for Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches round 7. Here's my sketch, and it is a page map sketch. I did pull in some dies to use. These are my Stamps of Life, and they are stitch dies. So I did use the paper that I had put into the kit. This is what I have left of the blue, or the turquoise color. That's what I have left of the blue, and then that little piece there, and then the text paper with the text written all over it. I have 1 sticker left on this sheet that I did not use. I have a couple of pieces from the scalloped notebook pages that I had in, and I did use several pieces from in here. I actually punched out some circles from a piece and then cut some off this stripe piece. So you can see I got some more scraps used up, or more 6x6 used. So that's nice. And here is the layout that I created. Yes, I did do some stitching on this layout as well. I used all of the epoxy or acrylic type pieces. Epoxy, I think. There were 5 of them. I used them all. I used my title along here. You can see I cut down the papers there. I wanted to add a little something here in the middle to bring that pop of red up the page. So I just put a little piece of washi tape here and here. I have another, I use these 2 washi tapes. This one and this one. This one I used down here under this piece of scrap paper. This one I used here under this piece of paper, and then this is the one that I used here. So 3 different washi tapes on this layout, so that feels good. I used the doily at the top here, and I used some bling pieces. I used a little tab that I had previously punched out, and this is a ticket that I had previously printed and fussy cut out. There's the circles that I used my dies to create there, and then I used a couple of stickers here. There's my stitching over to the side, and again, more bling, more of those epoxy stickers. The title, that was the word phrase that I had, traditions new and old. I put my journaling down here at the bottom. It's tiny. And then here on this cluster, I used the top portion and then the scallop portion, the circles that I had die cut out, stickers here, bling, and the epoxy sticker. So you can see I spread everything out across the page, made 1, 2, and almost a 3rd cluster here with all of this around. This is the second one, and then this is the first one up here. I tilted my photos a little bit, and if you guys have been watching for any length of time, you guys know that this can be a little bit difficult for me. I'm not much of one for putting angles on my photos, but I tend to be doing it a little bit more frequently of late. And I think that's because I'm doing more scrapbooking, and so my right brain is engaging a little bit more, and I'm a little bit more open to tilting my photos. I know, it's a weird thing that I have, guys. What can I say? Anywho, so layout number 6 is complete, and we will go on to day number 7 tomorrow. Don't forget, I have close-ups coming at the end of this video, and you can head over to Christy's Facebook group, which is Christy's Beautiful Life. And also you can head over to her YouTube channel, which is Christy's Beautiful Life, and you can connect there. I think she's going to have the playlist on her channel of everything that's attached with the hashtag 30DSCBL. Did I say that right? Yes. Hashtag 30DSCBL number 7. So yeah, and then over on the Facebook group, you will see everybody's post of whether they are on Instagram or YouTube or whatever. If they choose to upload their photo there of their layout and the inspiration that comes across that group, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You know, and it's not just YouTubers and Instagrammers who are posting their photos. It's everybody. You know, it's easy enough to post a photo. You don't necessarily have to create a video or a fancy Instagram post for it. You can just post the video, take a picture and post the video, or post a photo. And yeah, the inspiration that you get is just amazing. I love looking at everybody's take on the sketch. My take was this way today, but I think if I use a sketch again, it'll go this way. So yeah, there may be other people who put the sketch in this orientation and create it that way. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow for day 7 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, round number 7. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.